Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can put apps on your desktop, that may be on your laptop or PC. You can just put all the apps or whichever the apps you want to keep, you can keep it on the desktop. That can be even Microsoft Store apps also. Say for example, I'll search for an app here. Say for example this phone link. When I am trying to drag this and drop it on the desktop, it is not going to the desktop. Even this Roblox also. Even when I right click on this, there is no file location. If I have file location like this, I can directly go to this file location and I can create a shortcut. Okay, but here there is no option like, see here I can, this create a shortcut is there, right? But for few apps which are downloaded from the Microsoft Store, say for example I'll simply download one small app. Maybe I'll just filtering the apps, maybe PDF reader, okay, which is a utility tool. I'll be installing this and I'll try to keep this application on my desktop so that whichever application you want, you can just put it on your home screen. This works on Windows 11 and Windows 12 too. Yeah, see here it is downloaded. I'll just minimize this, and here if I just do like this PDF search, it is not getting placed on the desktop, but I want quick access. What I can do is, you can just right click on this, okay, the application, and no, not the right click on Windows plus R to execute the run command and execute this following command: shell colon apps folder. Okay, so this is where, this location is where you'll see all the applications which are installed on your computer. Okay, yeah, see here is the PDF. Right click on this and click on create a shortcut, and it is saying Windows can't create a shortcut here. Do you want to be placed on desktop instead? So just confirm it as yes. So here you'll have the PDF just we downloaded from the Microsoft Store is on the desktop. Likewise you can execute this command and you can keep any of the application on the desktop. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, and please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.